Hi guys, let's see how to create a simple menu in Google Sheets which lets you color any cells. So let's say you want to color it, just click on it and click on this and it'll get colored. Okay. If you want to color any other cells, just click on it and it'll get colored. Okay. In future, if you want to just remove the color, there is one more option, remove color. Okay. So how to do this? So it's very easy. You have to click on extensions and click on app script, and this is the script you need to put in your sheet. Okay, so if there is already any code, you can delete that and add it, or you can click on plus and add a separate code. This I have added because you don't get any kind of this app is blocked errors. So this only specifies that this is only for this current sheet and not all sheets. And now this is the function. This menu name you can change. Here it is color cells. You can change according to your wish. Also the background color is set to yellow. If I color it, you can just put any color, just put its hex code here, just replace it. Okay, I have given this code in the description of this video. There is a link, just click on it and copy this code from there. And once you have done, just save the project to Drive, and when you will try to do it first time, it will ask for your authorization. Just authorize it by clicking on yes, and after that you're good to go. You can color any cell with this menu. Okay, that's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching The Geek.